Hello and welcome to this induction session for the Certification in Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Financing of Terrorism conducted by the International Compliance Association. The Institute of Bankers Malaysia has formed a strategic alliance with the International Compliance Association. The ICA works in association with its quality assurance partner, the University of Manchester Business School, to create career frameworks, qualifications and training in the field of anti-money laundering and counter-financing of terrorism. These qualifications, which have the support of the Asian Institute of Finance, are one of the initiatives of the IBBM Compliance Officers Networking Group, aimed at injecting professionalism and enhancing the capacity building of compliance officers in financial institutions. The training is conducted by the International Compliance Training Academy, the exclusive training partner of the ICA in the region. Headquartered in Singapore, and providing training in a variety of Asia-Pacific jurisdictions, the ICTA is a leading provider of compliance and AML qualifications to financial practitioners and is your first point of contact for all student inquiries and administration needs whilst you study on the programme. When you enrol onto the programme, you will be given an access code that will allow you to log on to the wide range of resources the ICA and its training partner ICTA have online. These links are available to you and will also be sent to you when you're registered on the programme. The ICTA website is the online student section for your course. Here you can download your course study handbook as well as all of your materials, course module information and appendices you will need during your course of study. You are able to access your written assignment questions as well as downloading specimen examination questions which you can analyse. Answers to self-assessment questions as well as examination reports are available for you to access, and there is also a wide range of how-to guides as well as study skills webinars which can be viewed at any point through your studies. From this section of the website you can also contact ICTA directly if you have any questions relating to your study or any academic needs you would like assistance with. The International Compliance Association acts as the global library site for student resources. Here you can access the ICA's Knowledge Hub, which contains case studies and examples, actions and articles, international initiatives and international legislation, as well as the international standards of competence which have been benchmarked for use here in Malaysia. You are able to access copies of In Compliance, the quarterly journal of the ICA, and can post questions, answers and feedback on the ICA's members forum. This area is also where you can manage your e-alerts, setting the key topics you want to receive on your regular email update provided by the ICA. Once you have enrolled into the programme and received your login details for the ICA and ICTA websites, you should spend some time reviewing these and familiarising yourself with the content and layout in order to maximise your time and usage of these throughout your studies. It is advised that delegates read and review the study handbook, as this contains essential information which is of use to you as you advance through the course. From the ICTA website, you can download the module manuals you need for your study and read and review these in advance of your workshops. The ICA recommends downloading and skim reading these first, before going back through for a more thorough delve into the important information contained within them. At this point you should also refer to the ICTA website to check your workshop dates, assignment submission deadlines and examination date. You should watch and take note of the webinar topics and how-to guides. These offer practical information on how to go about studying, writing essays and answering case study questions, and preparing for your examination, including revision tips and also understanding the marking structure. It is important to use this section of the website to ensure you understand the assignment submission criteria, deadlines involved, and the use of footnotes and appendices for your word count. When reading through your module materials, it is important to take note of key topics and to cross-reference these with case studies and relevant news articles, as well as extra information you can gather from the ICA website resources. If you have questions or need further information from the course tutor, you can contact them using the ICTA website or directly by emailing the ICTA office. You should also take time to answer the self-assessment questions and tasks. The answers for the self-assessment questions are available for you to view on the ICTA website. The Certification in Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Financing of Terrorism is a 4-month part-time program. As part of the study for this course, you're required to attend 2 full-day workshops. The workshops are interactive and will allow you to spend time with our expert facilitators, as well as with other professionals who are studying on the program. The workshops provide a focal point for the course, and the better prepared for these heading into the workshops, the more benefit you will gain following on from them. As part of the program, you will be required to complete 1 written assignment, which can be downloaded from the ICTA website. The information on how to complete the assignment is available in the study handbook, as well as in the Howto guides and the study skills webinars. The final component of the course is a written examination. The examination lasts for 1 hour and 45 minutes and is an open book examination, meaning you can bring in all necessary resources to complete the paper. You are not permitted to bring any electronic devices or to attach extra paper into your examination book. The written assignment and the open book exam each comprise 50% of the total marks allocated to complete the program. Upon completion of both assessment components, your marks will be added together to give your final score. As well as pass marks, the ICA awards merit and distinction level qualifications for its programs for those delegates scoring marks in the categories shown. For questions relating to the administration of the program, such as venue details, workshop locations, or assignment information, you can contact either ICTA or IBBM. As well as the details here, you can find these contact details on the ICTA and IBBM websites, as well as in your study handbook. If you have queries related to the academic nature of the course, such as questions relating to the course materials or your assignment, please contact the ICA using the details shown here. These details are also available on the ICA website and in your student materials. We hope you found this information useful and look forward to hearing about your study experience with the International Compliance Association.